Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda CR-V's tensioner pulley. First, let's prepare. You will need a 14mm wrench or socket, a 12mm socket, and a serpentine belt tool. Always make sure your engine is cool to the touch before starting. You might also need to temporarily move the power steering reservoir for better access. Identifying the serpentine belt and the tensioner pulley is your initial step. Now, let's get that old tensioner out. Attach your serpentine belt tool to the tensioner's 14mm bolt and rotate it clockwise to release the belt tension. Once the belt is loose, carefully slide it off all the pulleys. The tensioner assembly is usually secured by two 12mm mounting bolts and a central 12mm bolt. Remove these bolts to detach the old tensioner from its mounting point. With the old one out, it's time for the new tensioner. Carefully place the new tensioner assembly onto its bracket. First, tighten the two 12mm mounting bolts to 16 foot-pounds. Then, secure the main tensioner bolt to a torque of 41 to 43 foot-pounds. Next, refer to your belt diagram and meticulously route the serpentine belt around all the pulleys, ensuring it's seated correctly on each one. Almost done, use your serpentine belt tool again to create slack, then carefully slide the belt onto the last pulley. Before starting, visually confirm the belt is perfectly aligned on every pulley. Start your engine and listen closely for any unusual sounds like squealing or rattling. Observe the belt's movement and tension while the engine idles to ensure everything is operating smoothly. Congratulations, you've replaced your tensioner pulley.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.